Meaning of George III.
George III.
George III.
George III.
George III. George III refers to the third king of the Hanoverian dynasty who ruled Great Britain from 1760 until 1820. He became well known for his long reign and his struggle with mental illness, which left him unable to rule effectively in his later years. During his reign, the British Empire expanded significantly, and there were also significant changes in the political landscape of Britain. George III played a key role in these changes, and his legacy continues to shape British society and politics to this day.